Welcome to the channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilas from Trader Next Door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside a range. For the last few days, my videos were not regular. I was unable to upload regularly because I was in Dubai. Okay, I was traveling. Okay, now I am back to my pavilion, so you'll be getting regular videos again. But the problem with the chart of gold is that gold is trading inside a narrow range, and when gold trades inside a range, or any chart trades inside a range, the number of trading opportunities are limited, because as a retail trader we have limitations. It is not possible for any retail trader to understand the market 100%, because we cannot understand what is going on, or we cannot interpret candle by candle. As a result, we stick to the levels, we stick to the zones. And here what we do is, whenever market comes to the support, we usually go for buy, and when market reverses from the resistance, we go for a sell. And on the middle, it is difficult for us to understand the market's behavior. But here on the chart of gold, the bad thing is that market has already tested the resistance many times, and market has already tested the support also a few times. So whenever a level becomes too common, there's a high chance that market will be going for SL hunting or liquidity sweep, because stop loss hunting, liquidity sweep, these are bitter realities of the market. So this time, yes, taking a sell or buying a support can be dangerous. So trading opportunities are already, they were limited, but they are more dangerous now. At this moment, the range of gold is 4100 at the top, and then we have 4000 at the bottom. But to continue the upside, or gold, if gold really wants to get bullish, then gold needs to go above 4150. If gold breaks 4150, then only we can say that gold is finally bullish again. Gold is out of the range. Similarly, gold needs to break 4000 level, then only we will be able to say that gold is bearish, sellers are dominating the market. Because if you look at the daily chart of gold, you can see gold is forming doji and spinning tops, so it signifies indecision in the market. So we need to wait a little longer for a proper direction, or gold needs to be out of this range. Gold needs to break either 4150 at the top or 4000. Before we proceed, I would like to show you a very interesting feature that you will love it. We have been with FastBull for a long time. You have seen me talking about FastBull's platform, their free charts, their very useful economic calendar that also helps us at the time of news. But today I will be showing you another feature of FastBull, that is the replay button. Many of you like to test your strategies. You like to go back to the chart to check the historical data, but obviously it is very painful to do it manually, and to do it automatically, it costs a lot of money, and many of us do not want to pay, or we cannot afford. And this problem has also been solved by FastBull recently. They have launched a replay tool, with the help of which you can backtest your strategies, you can backtest the data, and do a lot of things. And the best thing is that not only you can backtest your data or strategy, but you can also place trades just to check how does it do. Let me show. Using the replay feature is very simple. You just need to click on the replay button here. After that, you will see a panel like this. So you just need to select the mode, and then you need to select the time or the specialized training. So personally, I prefer to go with the training mode. You can select your candle or select time. I personally prefer to use the time. For example, you want to go to the last year July. Then you can not July, November. So let's go with 1st November to 2024. Past 1 year, past 5 years. See, you can also go back to past 5 years as well. Isn't it nice? After that, you can select the speed from here: 1x, 3x, 5x, 10x. And if you want to go with the pattern detection, you can see specialized trading, the classic patterns, and you can see that these are the patterns also that you can use. You can also select the time frame from here as well. So once you are done, just click on the start button. You can see it is showing us the replay feature. And you can see it has started from November 1st, the date we have selected. Right now, I'm not looking for any indicators or something like that. It's up to you. What do you want to use? If you want to place orders from here, you can also easily place orders just to check when you'll be trading in this condition, whether it will work or not. So it's an excellent tool for you to backtest your strategies, backtest your great setup, because if you do not backtest it properly, you do not get it right. Most of us do it manually, and it is not possible to be accurate, okay, when we do it manually. But if you do it like this, okay, then you get the best results. So feel free to use fastbull.com. okay, the link will be in the description and the comment section. So as we just discussed, that there's a high chance that next time there's a possibility of a liquidity sweep or SL hunting. So if volume remains like this, if you see that there is not much volume in the market, so during the day you can look for a support or a bounce around 4010 or around 4011. Around this particular zone of the market, you can expect a bounce of 80 to 100 pips as a day trader. If you're a swing trader, position trader, then obviously you can clearly see that this is not the ideal time to look for any fresh trades. Because if you're a swing trader, you need swings in the market. Swing trader, you need swings in the market. Or you need a trend in the market. And right now the trend is also missing, the swings are also missing. So 4010, 4011 is the first level where you can look for a buy position as a day trader if the volume is low. But otherwise, the best support, the blue line at the top, bottom is the best support, means the level around 4000. Around 4000, 3995, okay, you can expect the best support. So to be honest, I am not looking for any buy personally around 4010 area. I'll be looking for buy around 4000 level only, because around 4000 level, it can be, see, these levels work as zones in a market. 4000 doesn't mean 4000 precisely. It can be 4001, 4002, or it can be 3998 as well, because they work as zones in a market. So where market will enter the zone, switch to a lower time frame to observe the market situation. When you'll see market is showing price rejection from below, hit the buy button with proper risk management. So in simple words, we have two support zones. The first zone 401011 is not very reliable. It will only work if the volume is low. Otherwise, okay, let's keep our eyes on 4000 level. That's the best one. Okay, and if things get crazy, if market breaks 4000 with high volume, if you see that there is a big red candle at 4000, then obviously we can look for a sell below it as well. But at this moment, I feel that there is a high chance that market will take support. And the current support of 4020 or 4021 may not work. Okay, and at the top, okay, as we all know, 4100 is acting as resistance. 41002, 4110. But already you can see market has tested the resistance many times. So this time, okay, it may not work. Yes, this time it may not work. If you see the market is showing resistance around this area, it can be a high risk sell opportunity. If you want to go for a sell, it's up to you. If you're a beginner looking for safe trades only, then this is not the good trade for you. But if you want to take the risk, okay, then it's up to you. But keep in mind, it's a high risk sell, because already market has reversed from this particular area many times. Then we also have a resistance around 4132 as well, because this was the level from where market fell sharply. So if you see market is showing price rejection from our market struggling, we can look for a sell below around this area as well. Okay, means after sweeping liquidity around this particular area, okay, market may reverse from 4132, 4133, because many people will be selling here, isn't it? Many people will be selling here. So after hunting down all lessons, market may reverse from here like this. Okay, this may also happen. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, sell. Okay, if you are going for a sell, be careful, because as we can clearly see, market is trading in a range, and the range has been tested many times. Too much liquidity can be seen in the chart right now. And if you need a good trade, then okay, this is not the right time, because we need a clear range. Okay, or market needs to be out of this range. Market either needs to break 4000, so that we can look for a sell below it, or market needs to break 4150 so that we can look for a long position above it. As long as market remains like this, the trading opportunities will be limited, will be dangerous yes, as well, okay, and not very reliable. So do not go for big lot sizes, do not trade blindly, do not gamble with your hard-earned money.